Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. And today we're having a look at super classic tune from the Beatles. It's Eleanor Rigby. This one isn't too complicated, so shouldn't give you too many problems. Let's crack on straight away with the chords and the screenshots. Okay, so the first chord you're going to need for this one, you're going to need E minor. You're going to need a C. You're also going to need an E minor 7. And you're going to need an E minor 6. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those give you any problems, just try freezing the video and practicing going from one chord to the other. But assuming you're good to go, let's just crack straight on and practice the song together. Okay, and as always, I'm going to hum the tune. You have to excuse the singing. I'm going to hum the tune in the background so you can see how the melody sits on top of the chords. Okay, so get ready with that C, and let's start. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. E minor, and C, E minor, and go. Change to the C, back to E minor, E minor, change to the C, back to E minor, E minor 7, E minor 6, and C and then E minor, E minor 7, E minor 6, and C and then E minor, C as da 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 E minor, and C E minor. Let's try again. And E minor, change to the C and back to E minor, E minor, change to the C, back to E minor, E minor 7, E minor 6, and C and then E minor, E minor 7, E minor 6, and C and then E minor. Okay, so there you go. That's all the song there. Pretty straightforward. Just get that E minor 7, E minor 6 worked out. It should give you no problems. Keep practicing, it will sound great. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you again soon for more super easy songs. Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.